Array Basic, the foundation for solving 90% of DSA problems. Today I will show you traversal, summation, max and min of array in Python step by step. I will also show you both Python built-in function and manual code for better understanding. At first, array declaration. Array declaration. I am using simple list. We also use numpy array. Okay. Now we'll traverse by using loop. So traversal, again print array element, print array elements. After that we will traverse for num or I am using I in array and print I int equal. Okay, now I can run this code. Here is the output. Here we will loop through each element in the array and print it. Using int equal prints all number on the same line. Now we will find the summation of this array. First we will find the summation by using built-in function. Built-in summation. We can use a variable. Total is equal to summation of array and print sum of array and total. Okay, now we can run this code. Sum of array 45. Now I will find the summation manually. Manual sum. At first, m sum is equal to 0, and for I in array and m sum plus equal I. Now I can print manual sum m sum. Okay. Now I can print you can see the built-in function summation and manual sum are equal. Python built-in sum function, Python built-in summation function gives the total instantly, and using a loop helps understand how summation works under the hood. Now we'll find the maximum and minimum values of this array. First, built-in function. Built-in max and min. Maximum is equal to max of array and minimum is equal to min of array. Now we can print maximum and print minimum. Now we can run this code. Maximum 10 and minimum 5. Now we will try to find the maximum and minimum manually. Manual max and min. First we have to store a default value It's m max, means manual maximum. Store the first element of the array, and manual min also store the first element of the array. We can use another element, and for I in array, if I is greater than manual max, then manual max store I. On the other hand, if I is less than manual minimum, then manual minimum store I. And now we can print manual max max, and we can also print manual min min. Now we can run this code. So built-in max and minimum are the same of manual max and manual minimum. Max function and min function instantly find the largest and smallest element, and manual method is used for understanding the logic and optimization. So guys, today we will learn how to traverse an array, calculate the summation, and find max and min values. In the next video, we will explore the two pointers technique, which can solve 90% of LeetCode problems efficiently. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for daily DSA shorts and long tutorials. Thank you everyone.